We were consolidating a little bit around our buying range on the intra-daily. We had this really nice VPA signal to the downside, nice hammer to buy up. So we went ahead and went long here, got our moving average cross, and then a new 5-minute low, really good target up to PDC. Hey everybody, what's going on, Bear Bull Traders? My name's Thor Young. I'm a moderator and I'm going to be doing a little bit of a recap for you this morning. Per usual on my recap days, that means I'm taking over the open for Andrew, our fearless leader, and right now he's out rocking in Dubai, living the dream and all that good stuff. But while he's living the dream out there, I get to live the dream in here and trade with my good buddy, the prophet of profit, Brian Pezum. We always make money together, we don't, we, brother?
Yeah, we do, bud. Yes, sir.
So we had some really good trades going on in the room. I'll go ahead and hit a couple of mine, and then I'll let Brian, I'll go through a couple of his. Right now, you guys can see on the screen, I'm actually in a trade on SPY right now. We were consolidating a little bit around our buying range on the intra-daily. We had this really nice VPA signal to the downside, nice hammer to buy up. So we went ahead and went long here, got our moving average cross, and then a new 5-minute low, really good target up to PDC. And so far holding a little bit of shares left on this to see if we can rally out today. We're thinking we test 400 maybe today. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Other than that, I got a really sweet short on Becky that the pivot bot, our alert scanner, the pivot alert bot scanner in here called out. Got a good short on that one for a good trade. And then on Qs, I got a nice short off of S3 on Qs with a failed ad. Went long in SPY when that went out, but I got in there. How about you, my friend? I know you got some pretty cool trades. I know you traded an index, which I have not really traded recently, so I thought people might want to learn a little bit about the difference between yin and yang when it comes to the market.
Yeah, couple of my trades, yeah, right at the open, I kind of felt like Tesla was going to sell off, but it popped, and I got short, and then I got stopped out because it popped up. But went back to it, and also the other stock I was watching, I mentioned that the open coin and Tesla were the two I was really looking at because they were both looking a little bit weak going into the open. So, you know, I got the short on coin. On that drop, got back into Tesla, got a really nice move on Tesla. And yeah, at the same time I was watching BABA, and I thought, you know, all the Chinese stocks were up, and so I just decided to take a short on the whole Chinese stocks. And the way you can do that is with there's an ETF called Yin and Yang. So if you want to go long, it's Yin, Y-I-N-N, and if you wanted to go short, you just buy Yang. So one of those inverse ETFs, and that worked out really well because BABA really sold off going into the open. So I got a nice move on that one as well. So overall, it was a decent morning after that first bad Tesla trade, and traded AMD as well. So yeah, probably traded a little too much, but it was a good day.
No, a great day and awesome
So
trades. You know, I really,
yeah.
we've talked many. I know most who have come to the the room or follow the channel, they hear Andrew talk about TNA or TZA, TZA, or or even TQs or SQs. But a lot of people don't understand. We have other countries that are listing on our market, and so we have opportunities to play ETFs that are based upon those as well. So the yin and the yang being those inverse of each other's ETFs that I think are going to be really interesting. I actually think I'm going to be adding those to my lineup, because one thing I noticed when I came back and looked at it is they seem to adhere to the cams and some other levels quite well. So I'm going to have to look at this S4 test to the penny, by the way. I'm going to have to keep an eye on these two ETFs. So good stuff there. Also,
Yeah.
for any of those who are out there, we also had some really nice trades in the room here. You guys have been hearing about one of our rising stars in the room, Paris. He trades up there in Vancouver. Really talented. trader that's been crushing the desk up there. He got a beautiful short on AMD, which we were basically all in the room waiting for. We all kind of picked different stuff. I kind of romoed a bit, but he was nice enough to grab that short for me. So appreciate that. Also a really nice Amazon short as well. Covered out an ad, but then got back in on that retest. We had a nice discussion in the room about the 920 EMAs and how Brian, our Prophet of Profit, has been using those for quite a while, and we've kind of all co-opted them. But you will see that as a common occurrence in BBT around here. So I hope everybody enjoyed the recap today. If you did, please take a moment, give us a little thumbs up here, like, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Also, if I may make a slightly shameless plug, okay, shameful plug, I do have a book out. It's actually on Camarilla Pivot Trading. So if you want to check that out, please go by Amazon. Ebook out now, paperback and hardback coming soon. So I hope everybody had a great trade. My friend Brian, great trading with you as always.
Thank you. Yeah. And yeah, go out and grab Thor's new book. Sure, I haven't gotten it yet. I'm probably going to do that today, but I'm sure it's going to be a great read. So never stop learning is my theory.
Agreed. Awesome. Well, thank you, brother. Thank you for that. And I hope everyone has a great one. Keep it green, y'all.
Sure.